Let us today start see the how to download and install the CapCut. First, go to Google Chrome, type CapCut for Microsoft Store. Click the first site, Microsoft Store. Then you can see here CapCut. Download this. Click on download. Okay, CapCut installer is downloaded. We will run it. Run. Then click on install. Downloading will be starting. It will take few minutes to download. Just wait. Now installation has been begun. Wait for few minutes. Installation has been done. Now opening CapCut. Testing environment. In this way, the CapCut can be downloaded and installed at Windows PC. Yes, that's ready. Okay, thank you.